A day after DMK chief Karunanidhi visited his daughter Kannimozhi in the Tihar jail in the capital, speculations are rife over his meeting with Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Now we have Vikram Gopinath with us with all the latest details. Now Vikram, Karuna met former Telecom Minister A. Raja, also lodged in the Tihar jail on Monday. How likely is it that he would in fact be meeting Sonia Gandhi, considering that the level of the relationship is at rock bottom?
Well, Sanket, we believe that it is unlikely that the DMK President Karunanidhi will actually get to meet Sonia Gandhi, the Congress President, because before his trip started from Chennai a couple of days back, he made it very clear that he will not be, he would be in a very dicey position to actually go and meet Sonia Gandhi. In fact, he would not be able to meet. That's what he was telling to reporters a couple of days back. Yesterday, in fact, very few congressmen had actually met him. Only, we believe, the Home Minister Chidambaram actually called upon Karunanidhi, as compared to his last visit on several ministers like Sharad Pawar, S.M. Krishna, several other Congress leaders also had gone over and met Karunanidhi. But this time, Karunanidhi wants to send a strong message to the Congress, at the same time saying that this is more of a personal and an emotional trip wherein he wants to just meet Kannimozhi. In fact, his son, M.K. Stalin, is also in Delhi. Yesterday, he left Chennai and he's in Delhi yesterday night. He will be meeting Kannimozhi later in the day today. It's actually, the DMK is putting up a show wherein they're ensuring that the family is rallying behind Kannimozhi at a time when she really needs it. In fact, even Adugri was planning to meet Kannimozhi yesterday, but because of his ministerial position, he was in a dilemma whether to meet or not. We believe that he might also meet her in the court later today. So at this point of time, the DMK wants to keep this more of a personal visit and does not want to turn it into political.